As we know, in 2020, there are not really many high interest earning vehicles that are safe and secure because, OPR rates are very low right now. So this new product from OCBC is something that really intrigued me because I wanted to replace my Maybank to You savers, which is earning me a meager Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am stooping kind of like this because I just injured my knee and yeah, I fell knee flat and elbow flat on the floor just by missing a step. So I just want to do a PSA and say take good care of yourselves and be very careful when you are moving around these days. The COVID cases in Malaysia are really spiking. So wash your hands, be clean, and also watch your step as you move up and down stairs. That is super important. Okay, so today what I want to do is I want to share with you this high interest savings account that just came out here in Malaysia, and this is an OCBC Frank account, and I have just gone through all the steps. I've registered for it online, and also I've gone into OCBC Bank branch to activate the account and to verify my identification card. So it's all good to go. So I want to walk you through it. And the reason why I still really like high interest savings accounts is that it gives my money some leeway, earning me interest, and it's always nice to have some money spare aside from our emergency fund. So I personally really like using HISAs, or high interest savings accounts, and this new product from OCBC is something that really intrigued me because I wanted to replace my Maybank to You savers, which is earning me a meager 0.65% per annum, and Frank is offering 1.8% per annum. And why I decided to open Frank was because it was so easy to open. I just need to do the online application, which I will show you how it's done, and then I just went into the bank, and I guess it's a bit more simple for me because I already have OCBC accounts, and I'll link those videos where I shared with you what accounts that I like. And yeah, so this is about re-optimizing and sorting out our money and being flexible when things change. So yeah, I will show you what it's like, and yeah, forgive me for like stooping here because I'm trying to not sit down on the floor because of knee injury. I hope nothing is wrong with my knee, but yeah, I'll keep you posted on that. So it says here, open the new Frank account online securely and hassle-free. Shop online minus the foreign exchange markups. Okay, that is pretty interesting. So I have been using my BigPay account debit card for overseas online transactions and also in-person transactions because of the foreign exchange rate that is more favorable in comparison with our credit cards. So I also have a credit card video that I will link up over there if you want to find out more, and it leads us to the website. They're going to give the fixed deposits a run for their money, but I want to look here at the foreign exchange markup. So it says here, spending in foreign currency can be a headache. We are here with 0% foreign exchange markup so that you can choose to pay with your Frank debit card. So it is a debit card, and it is basically the equivalent of a BigPay card. I don't really know what is the benefit over BigPay, but it says here, to top it off, we are making contactless payments available. Okay, yep, that's fine because BigPay has that too, and the card looks like the Grab card actually. Move your money easily from saving to spending and earn interest as high as fixed deposit rate with no lock-in period, no withdrawal penalties. This is the part that I find very interesting, and I want to see what is the catch. So it says place any amount into your save pot to earn as high as fixed deposit rates 1.8% per annum, or move it into your spend pot anytime you wish. No lock-in period, no withdrawal penalties. With Frank, it's all about earning high interest with no strings attached. So it looks to me like they are separating your money into spending and savings, which is a very good system, as I use the bucket system as well. And right now they have two buckets one for spending and one for saving. And the interface looks quite good, and it can show you the interest that you will earn yearly. Oh, even the spend pot has some interest accruing to that account as well at 0.3% per annum. I kind of am very interested in this savings account right now. Here we are on the landing page, and there is also a friend's referral code. I don't know, do you all have any referral codes? But I guess by the time this video is out, I would have already signed up. But if I have a referral code, I will link it in the description down below. Okay, so let's see and have a look at this brand new bank account. And alright, okay, so let's get this show on the road and let's log into my OCBC account. Ooh, okay. You're gonna get this text message saying, thank you for signing up for a Frank account and check your application status here. And you go into the bank after you've done all of that verification. It says here that you have been verified, completed, and the account has been created. And yay, we're all set. So let's log in. Okay, yep. So the thing about OCBC is logging in is really a piece of work. So if you want to tuck this money away from yourself and hide it away from yourself, this is the ideal bank account because it is so hard to log in. There's a two-step verification process. It makes you just not want to touch this bank account at all. So that makes it perfect if you want to save your money and hide it from yourself. So I highly, highly recommend OCBC for this particular function. And as you can see, it is still loading. It is still logging in, and very good, very secure. The Frank account, I have the Booster account, and I also have the Smart Savers account. So like I said, the Booster account, in it sits my emergency fund, and for Smart Savers, I've been using it to store my vacation fund, and I think Smart Savers is earning me 1.25%, but there are withdrawal terms and conditions. So if you don't heed the conditions, you're gonna get very, very little, next to nothing interest every single month. And for Booster, I think they are giving 1.85%, but you need to be able to have 30,000 within your Booster account. But for Frank, there is no minimum, and they're gonna give you 1.8% per annum at the moment in these times. So I think that is very good a deal, and there are no lockups, and it's pretty cool. So let's check out Frank together. Here we're going to see that they want me to add funds, so I'm going to add funds with you. Let's move money from my vacation fund. Alright, okay, so I've run into my first hurdle. You're going to need to do this on two separate devices because whenever you use OCBC, you're going to need access to your phone to generate this thing called one-time password or one token. And because I am currently using my phone, I cannot generate the OTP code. So mission failed. This is to hit up one token and click one-time password. And you need to be really fast when you do this because they give you like 15 seconds, something like that, maybe 30. Make a transfer to my own OCBC account. And I've been saving for my vacations, and I haven't been taking vacations for a while, so this has really been able to build up. So let's transfer 5,000. Okay, great. So the transaction is successful. Now let's look at Frank and whether the interface pops up. Okay, so on the phone is where the interface is at. Ooh, I really like that. Even our spend pot will earn us some interest at 0.3%, so that's pretty cool. And our interest accumulates daily and is credited into our account at the end of the month and adjust anytime. So let's put 4,800 in our save pot and 200 ringgit in our spend pot. So that is a good amount for me, and it calculates our interest that we earn yearly down there to give us an indication of how much money we will be earning in interest. So this is really nice, and I like that feature. It's very clear cut, and let's confirm. And if you're not happy with that amount, you can always adjust it later on. So yeah, I guess that's it. And if you want to transfer more funds, again, an FPX transfer is pretty straightforward, but the method I used was a direct bank transfer from an account that I have to another account of Frank. So yeah, I really like this, and the interface is very simple and yeah, very straightforward. Log out of your accounts. And what I found out at the bank was there is this debit card that comes with Frank. Basically, to make things very simple, it is very similar to BigPay. It is pretty much the same, where we will get charged the foreign exchange spot rate of that day or that time. And there is no premium to it, because normally when we swipe credit cards, they're going to charge us a little bit of premium to transact in foreign currency, and it is a debit card. So first we need to load money into our spend pot, and I personally opted out of getting a Frank debit card because I don't see myself using that function. Let's say something happens to BigPay, then only will I look into switching out my debit cards for a Frank debit card specifically. And the guy told me that the charge is 12 ringgit to get your debit card changed to a Frank debit card. And the cost to maintain this bank account is like any other OCBC internet banking service for individuals. It's going to cost us 8 bucks per year, 8 ringgit per year. And yeah, I didn't ask whether it stacks on top of my booster, so I think I can definitely ask that question. Let's move this camera because this angle is pretty bad. Alright, so that is it for the video today. I hope you enjoyed me walking you through how I set up and transfer funds into my Frank account, and I'm pretty excited to have a new brand spanking vacation fund account. I guess that's what I'm using it for. That is earning me 1.8% interest. Maybe I'll use this for something else. Maybe I'll use this for my gift fund, but who knows? Things are pretty flexible, and yeah, I like that we can tailor make our finances to whatever suits us. So if this works for you, please give this a thumbs up, and remember to comment and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video if you have found it to be of use to you and you would like your friends to know as well. So I will see you in the next one. Take care. Bye!